Use the halftone filter and 2 magical color chips to quickly neutralize bright, bold colors. This tutorial will expand your paper stash without spending a dime. Hi, this is Julie Cinco from Digital Scrapper, the very best place on the web to find complete and professional instruction for digital scrapbooking. We help you get your stories told. This video is being filmed in Photoshop Elements, but the instructions are exactly the same for Adobe Photoshop except where noted. Begin by opening the paper that comes in the download. I have it open here in the expert mode of Photoshop Elements. The first step is to create a copy of the paper so we don't accidentally overwrite the original file. In the menu bar, choose File, Duplicate. Click OK. In Photoshop, you would choose Image Duplicate. Now you can close the original paper document. The next step is to choose colors. Click on the foreground color chip to open the color picker. You could sample a color from the paper or choose a color in the color picker. I want a beige color, so I will enter hex number D2C7B7. Click OK to close the color picker. Click on the background color chip. As before, you could sample a color from the paper, choose a color in the color picker, or enter a hex number. I will leave mine set to pure white. Click OK to close the color picker. Now let's have some fun with the halftone filter. In the menu bar, choose Filter, Filter Gallery. If Filter Gallery is listed twice, choose the bottom one. In the dialog box, filters are grouped into folders. If you don't see the filter folders, click on the Show Filters icon. Click on the Sketch folder. Click on Halftone Pattern. Set the size to 1, the contrast to 10, and the pattern type to dot. You may want to adjust the contrast setting to fit your paper and your colors. Click OK to close the dialog box. The halftone filter quickly changed the bright, bold colors of the paper to nice, soft shades of beige. The filter tends to strip away any texture on the paper. Let's add some texture back to the paper with another filter. In the menu bar, choose Filter, Filter Gallery. Because I just ran a filter, Filter Gallery is listed twice. If I clicked on the top one, the last filter I used would run again. I don't want to use the halftone filter again, I want a different filter. So I'll choose the bottom Filter Gallery. Click on the Texture folder. Click on Texturizer. Set the texture to sandstone, the scaling to 150%, the relief to 2, and the light to top left. Click OK. Save the document as a high-quality JPEG with a unique name. Here's what my card looks like after adding another paper, some elements, and a title. If you'd like to learn more about how to recolor your papers and elements right the first time, I recommend checking out Make It Match by Jennifer Juris. You'll find a link to this class along with a discount coupon in the manual for this video. So that's how to use the halftone filter to neutralize bright colors. This has been Julie Cinco with Digital Scrapper.